Good afternoon, Quadcopter 101, and what I got for you today is another flight of the ZOHD orbit. What I got today is, I'll show you here, I have installed an SJ cam into its front. Let's pop it open here, and let me start it up and start the SJ cam. I want to get video. I didn't get an aerial video the other day, unfortunately. Let's see, that's the on-off switch there. I did not get aerial video, and I plan to get it today. So that's the idea for today's flight. See, I guess you got to hold it down for 4 seconds until it makes music. And we are started up and starting the video recording. Video is recording. So I'm going to plug it back in there and close up the front plate. Make sure it's secure. And now let's bind it. I got a relatively flat level surface here. I'm using that stand there. Turning on the transmitter, my T8SG. And plugging in the aeroplane. I'm probably going to say quadcopter several times here. Making sure we got bind. And we are in full unstabilized mode, switching up. And we got stabilized mode. And before I close it up, let me just give it a little bit of throttle. Make sure its control surfaces are working. And I am also recording FPV signal from the FPV camera, although I will not be wearing the goggles. I'm going to be flying line of sight, but I will be recording FPV. And I'm going to leave this outside, like so, to improve reception. So we should be ready to go. Now, which way is the wind blowing? From my back. Now, I did not adjust the center of gravity. We're going to see if that's a problem or not with this in full stabilized mode. Hopefully not, but here we go. Set. That is a problem. Don't try to do that. Oh, God. See what I mean? You really are going to need to adjust the center of gravity on this if you put a camera in there, or GoPro. Let me stop the video. And let's see if we can still get some flight time out of this. Hopefully that withstood that. I'm putting that camera in my pocket and putting the control surfaces back together. They seem to be okay. How's my front camera? All dusty from the impact. Clearing it off. So yeah, if you're going to fly this with a GoPro attached, you're likely going to have to adjust that center of gravity. It's just the way, the stock way it's set up here with that battery all the way forward like that. It's just not going to work. I think we might be good to go after that crash. Looks okay. Propeller looks okay. Propeller sounds okay. Am I recording here? Still recording here, so we should be good to go. Let's give it another shot. This time, again, without the GoPro installed. Looks like it withstood that pretty well. I'm surprised. Let's see if it goes up this time. That time, no problem. So yeah, GoPro, I'm giving it throttle today, keep it moving. But if you're flying with a GoPro, you are really going to have to mess with the center of gravity. I'm keeping throttle on this today and also pushing forward on the stick, trying to reduce the wobble. The other day's flight I was flying at the edge of stall. Keep that in mind, folks. And it was wobbling just to stay in the air. Look how that thing can turn. Let's bring it down lower so you can see that. So I prefer to forget the GoPro and fly this thing with just an all-in-one camera. Throttle off. I'm trying to bring it down, folks, from way up there. But flying it with an all-in-one camera, it is really, really, really enjoyable. I mean, flying it lightweight, it is really enjoyable. And it's gliding down, it just doesn't want to come down. I'm pushing it in the stick, trying to bring it down. Push it forward. You got to push forward on the stick to bring it down. But look at this thing. Give it throttle. I want to show you this. Let's bring it over here. Full left stick. It's doing, what do we call these with quadcopters? Do it again. Funnels. We can do funnels, folks. It's amazing. It's an amazing airplane. Forget the GoPro. Keep the GoPro off of it. I recommend, you know. And just put on a little all-in-one, and you'll have a blast with this thing. A funneling airplane. Let's go up higher. We'll do climbing funnels with it. Climbing funnels. Climbing funnels. Going to semi-stabilized. Pretty neat, huh? Great flyer. Really, really cool flyer. And it climbs like a banshee. It's cutting the throttle off entirely. Just let it glide. It's going to take a while to come back down here again. You know, yesterday, or the day before flight that I was flying out in the desert, I only had like 12.1 volts left. I had 12.1 volts left on that thing after it landed. So this hardly uses any power at all to stay up there. And it just, right now, it's not using any power to stay up there. And it's not coming down. I got throttle all the way down. Look at that, folks. And again, anyone can fly it. It's just turn right, turn left. And when it comes down close, just give it throttle to go back up again. But this thing does not want to come down. So very, very cool airplane. Again, the best of the ZOHDs. This is the one you want. If you've been thinking about getting into airplanes, looking for a stabilized airplane, it just might be right for you. This might be it. Especially if you throw out an all-in-one on there. Forget putting the GoPro on. I'm not going to mess with it. That GoPro has just made it really nose heavy. But you saw it was crash worthy. Climbing again. Full back. Let's see if we can stall this thing. Not with its... I'm trying my best to mess with it. Look at that. Throttle off. This beats my F949 or 959. I'm going to be flying this one instead of my F959 from now on. I like this one better. It glides better. Glides much better. We're going to call it quits here in a bit because I can only do so much here, but I just wanted to demonstrate. Tried to fly it with a GoPro, but that didn't work out. But also to try to get some aerial video, which I should be doing right now, which I hope is working out. It seems to be working out. Cutting the throttle back again to bring it back down again from way up there. Yeah, this is going to be a hit. ZOHD Orbit. Better than the Dart. Better than the Nano Talon. I'm really surprised. You know, this has been out for a couple months. I'm surprised nobody's noticed this thing yet. You know, I've seen a couple reviews about that's about it. This one is the ultimate beginner's airplane, in my opinion. Well, beginner in terms of if you know how to install a receiver in it. Actually, they should sell this already ready to fly with a cheap fly sky, and this would really take off. You know, if they sold it ready to fly with a cheap fly sky receiver and transmitter, oh yeah, this would sell like hotcakes. Actually, I should recommend that. I recommend that, ZOHD. Consider that. Bundling this with an already installed receiver for the beginners. Because just about anybody could fly this. I think my wife could fly this, although I'm not going to let her. I don't think she'd be able to maintain orientation coming and going. Pushing forward, trying to get some speed on this thing. There we go. When it gets wobbly like that, that means it's at the edge of stall. So just give it a little bit forward. Just a little bit of forward push. And that corrects the problem. Okay, I'm going to be bringing it in now. That's enough of a flight. Just a short flight. Because the rest of this is just me yakking, and I know some people don't like that. So we'll take it down or upwind here, bringing it in for a landing. It's getting wobbly here because it's a little bit of a wind picking up. And there it goes. I hope I didn't hurt that propeller, because that was a little bit of a bumpy ride there. Nah, that propeller's fine. It scraped a bit. That's another thing they might consider, putting a little fin on the bottom here to protect the propeller in the landings. But, oh no, yeah, I enjoyed flying this thing. This thing is very enjoyable to fly, because it's so very easy to fly. Just a great airplane. So, hope you enjoyed the ZOHD Orbit. Let's hold it up like that so you can see it. Hold on. Careful with my fingers. I don't want to get snapped with that. But the ZOHD Orbit actually I'm flying it with my T8 SG today. So, hope you enjoyed this flight. Holding it that way. Quadcopter 101. Signing out.